Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this nice occasion, we will present about journal analysis that arranged by Group 3. Next. The member of Group 3 is me, Kirana Dara, and then Gustin Rahma Lutfiana, and Afiliani Hani Salma. First, there is journal identity. Next. For the journal identity, the journal name is Journal on Mathematics Education, Volume 10, Number 3, Page 16. Published year is September 2019, and the journal title is Math and Math in Japanese Primbon, a Mathematics Study, author Niken Wahyu Utami, Suminto Asayuti, and Jailani. Next. And the second part is the content. For the content, and the study aims to uncover some numerical values that used in Japanese Primbon using mathematics. This research uses a qualitative method. Analyzing the Japanese Primbon document is meant to explore the numerical value of Japanese people. Also, analyzing the data using the Japanese Primbon documents was not only based on the interpretation of the researcher, but also on the result of the discussion with cultural and mathematical experts. This study proposed numerical values such as number bases, remainder theorem, modulo, and modulus of the congruent informal mathematics, which is associated with matchmaking using Japanese Primbon. Next. And then there is the research result. Next. And the research result in Japanese, for knowledge is known as petung, which means computation of or consideration in determining something. Japanese Primbon consider weton in matchmaking. Weton is calculation of birthdays based on days in the Japanese calendar. Weton is composite calculation of Neptu Dino and Neptu Pasaran from the two myths. Next. Computation in predicting the future of the breed based on weton of the two breeds. Weton is compilation of dino or days and pasaran, and this table presents the correlation between days and Neptu dino. Day Sunday, Neptu is 5, Monday 4, Tuesday 3, Wednesday 7, Thursday 8, Friday 6, and Saturday 9. Also, this is table that shows the correlation between pasaran and Neptu pasaran. Pasaran Kliwon Neptu 8, Legi 5, Paing 9, Pon 7, and Wage is 4. And then the presentation will present by Gustin. For Gustin, the time is yours.
Okay, for the next part is about the type of predicting the future based on weton of couples. There are 4 types. This is the type 1. The computation of this type is performed by summing up of each Neptu Dino, Neptu Pasaran of both the bride and groom, then divided by 9. Then the foreknowledge decision is made using the remaining value after the division. So the conclusion is shown on the table of part of meaning of the remain type 1. Then if the remainder has a good meaning, according to the Japanese Primbon, then the wedding takes place. However, the wedding is cancelled if the result is bad. And this is the table of part of meaning of the remain type 1. If the remainder 4 and 4, the remainder 4 and 4, then the meaning is kerep loro or often sick. If the remainder 4 and 5, then the meaning is akeh rencanane or many plans. If the remainder 4 and 6, it is sugih rezeki or loss of luck. If 4 and 7, then they will be melarat or poor. If 4 and 8, it will be akeh pengkalane or many obstacles. If 5 and 9, then kalah siji or one loses. If 5 and 5, then tulus bejane or have continuous luck. If 5 and 6, then cepat rezekine or easy fortune. If 5 and 7, then tulus sandang pangani or have continuous prosperous. If 5 and 8, the meaning is akeh sambekalane or many obstacles. This is the second type. The second type is the computation of this type is summing up all the neptu dino and neptu pasaran of bride and groom, then divided by 4. The foreknowledge decision of this type is also made using the remaining value after the division. And the conclusion of the computation based on the meaning from the Javanese primbon is shown in the table beside. There are 4 choices with remainder 1, 2, 3, and 4, and the meaning you can read by yourself. There are rarely have children, have many children, lots of fortune, and the last is one died. And this is the third type. The third type, this type is similar with type 2, but the divider is 10 or 7, and the remainder of the division starting from 1 to 7. Then the conclusion is drawn from meaning of the Javanese primbon as shown in the table. You can read the meaning by yourself from 1 until 10, 1 until 7, I mean. And this is the last type. The last type is type 4. The computation of type 4 is the same with type 2 and 3, but the divider is 5. And the remainder of the division start from 1 to 5. Then the conclusion is shown in the table. There are 5 choices for the remainder, and the meaning is noble, charity, sick, die, or possess a position. And considering this foreknowledge present above, we can conclude that the results are inconsistent, which is an indication that foreknowledge is someone's estimate and it is not necessarily true. The next part will be explained by Afiliani.
Okay, the next part is relating math and mathematics. So the computation in predicting the future of couple on weton uses number bases like the other culture that uses spaces. If we look at type 1, for knowledge use base number 9, type 2 use base number 4, and type 3 use number 7, and the type 4 use number 5. This is shown that the computation of different number base for different types, or in other words, Javanese primbon recognize more than one base. And moreover, calculating the Javanese primbon could be performed using other element, or in general form, the result of the sum is symbolized by A, then divided by B, and the remainder are, or we can rewrite as A equal to B times Q plus R. This is referred to as the remainder theorem in formal mathematics, and in other words, one of the mathematical element in the foreknowledge is remainder theorem. The next is propose a math in Javanese primbon as a contextual for teaching mathematics. One of the contextual problems that can provide a comprehensive understanding to provide direct experience in real life is the matter of matchmaking in Javanese primbon. So matchmaking can be one of the ethnomathematical problems. Problem text using ethnomathematic can be built by integrating problem related to the culture that contains mathematical content. Katzap and Silverman on 2016 argue that the problem contains two parts. The first part is content and introduction, and the second part of the problem text contain mathematical question. And this is for her example. The problem is predicting of fate marriage through base and modulo. For the prelude, in the tradition of marriage in Javanese, various things need to prepare, including determination about the compatibility of the two brides. Traditional Javanese elder usually do matching between the two brides. The determination of the compatibility of two brides contain the prediction about life later after marriage based on the weton. And if the foreknowledge results are good, then the determination continues of the search of a good wedding day for the bride and groom. However, if the foreknowledge results are not good, the marriage of the two brides will not take place. And for the task, first is describe in your own word what you've learned about the rural setting of the prediction of marriage from the prelude information. And the second, a girl of Sufyan's marriage or a mature woman has Tuesday Likiwaton. The girl's parents looking for a partner for her daughter. If the forecasting use is to use the modulo base 4, the computation is carried out by summing up all the neptu dino and neptu pasaran of the bride and groom, then divided by 4. Then for the knowledge, decision is used table 8 in the next slide. Furthermore, find what ton for of a man who has a good prediction if he is married to the girl. Next, this is the meaning of the remainder of modulo 4. For the remainder 1 is kedo and larang anak. This is mean or rarely have children. The remainder 2 is have many children. The remainder 3 lots of fortune, and the remainder is 4 is one died. Next is the conclusion of this journal. The conclusion is the use of Javanese primbon in marriage is something unique in predicting the future. We have shown that the matchmaking of mate using foreknowledge through Javanese primbon is a attribute to number bases, remainder theorem, modulo, and modulus of congruent in formal mathematics. Hence, the matchmaking of mate using foreknowledge through Javanese primbon has potential material as a content in mathematics learning, such as the content in making an ethno-mathematical problems. So this is the end of our presentation. Thank you for your attention, and sorry if we make some mistakes. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.